It is a continuous lifestyle. We have to be continue fulfilling the mission. Young people, do not be afraid to be a pastor. Do not be afraid to be an evangelist. Do not be afraid to be a missionary. Do not be afraid to be used by God for His kingdom. The only power you need is the Holy Ghost. We will not accomplish the mission without the power of the Spirit.
Nobody in this world can pluck you out from the hand of the Father.
Today, in order to increase the value over time,
Makita mga idea mo. I-vlog ko tayo kasama to sa vlog natin.
putting capital to work in the form of time, money, effort,
Ay, pen light.
in hopes of a greater